Alam mo, hindi ako naniwala na dahil din sa boss, sa yung parang you're not feeling well, you're just lang sa song.
Huh?
Kasi diba, takot ka din sa
song. I was so scared also with my song.
Yun.
Kaya I wasn't feeling well too, but that wasn't the excuse, no?
Oo, hindi. Yung excuse mo, yung dapat mo yung yung excuse mo dapat, yung yung kinakabahan ka. Siyempre, diba? So vocally, siya?
Vocally
challenging.
It's vocally challenging.
Basta ito, masaya na ako, alam ko na yung mga kakantay. Sabi ni Sir sa akin, ayaw doon ng mga tao makita ang isang babaeng tawag ito na matigas. Parang nagugustuhan doon ng tao yung ako na super sensual, na parang mapagmahal.
That was good. Last week was perfect.
I was so emotional.
Iba yung dating mo din. Iba yung dating mo talaga that last. How about for Bunny? What did they say about Bunny?
Kay Bunny, daw, confidence.
Kulang pa rin.
Kailangan talaga daw niya ng confidence.
But I mean, what he said, I like the ending. We both, that's funny, huh? I didn't even notice that before. We both have our hand, plastered here. For some reason, both of us were we're singing, our hand just stays in one place. It moves occasionally, but it goes back here. I don't know why. Kahit ako, my hand was staying here, then it would go back down here. I don't know why. I wasn't even conscious of it. Diba? But then, I like what he said. He hopes that we both... I really hope that you both make it in the top 6.
You will.
Na-imagine ko na yung top 6. Yung top 5 lang.
Alam ko, I know what I'm gonna do now.
Na yung tatlo ni Bugoy.
Ako, pop songs talaga. Pop is
my
genre.
Pop
is that's really my genre because I shined on Bailamos. I mean, even though I got high, they believed it was a disaster. Overall, my performance was high enough to give me a good grade. I was 6th place then. And then, what's that song? Enrique, what's it called? Escape. 4th ako dun. I shine in those kind of songs. Dapat I stay there.
Mga tipong...
That's like yours. It's
Proud
pop.
talaga si Direk sa ating dalawa.
Ha?
Proud si Direk sa ating dalawa.
Oh, because 2 of his
best performance to ever.
Made it. There's 3 of us. 1 got eliminated. 4 of us. 1 became Star Scholar. 3 of us stayed. Me, Apple, and Miguel. Miguel got the lowest score. I got the second to the lowest score. I don't know where Apple.
Si Apple din ba?
But she got taken out.
Bakit tayong dalawa nag-outstand?
But he hopes
Ako, di ko in-expect na top 3 ako. Siguro akala ko nasa gitna ako.
Actually, triples na natin talaga, no?
Konti na lang.
Actually, pareha tayo ganun.
Ganyan talaga.
Yung problem ko lang, sabi ko na nga din sa sarili ko, inconsistent.
That's why I asked Direk.
Pero yun din sinabi niya sa akin. Ni Mr. C. Mr. C. Alam mo ba, ikaw yung parang black horse, sabi niya ganun. Kasi anytime you can be the top scholar. Hindi natin alam, pero ikaw yung parang dito. Black. Parang ikaw yung taong nagsastab.
Wow.
Ako yung ganun.
Scary! Wow!
Kasi anytime, yun nga, di ba inconsistent ako? Tapos biglang silent ako yung time na to. Tapos biglang, bigla lang. Kasi ilang beses na ako nag-top 2, tatlo. Tapos hindi pa rin ako matop scholar. Kaya depende lang talaga.
Top 4
song choice talaga.
Top 4 area. 3 times na. Diba? No, but the thing is, that's why I asked Direk, what song do you see me singing? That's why you agreed, diba, when I said my suggestion. Yeah. Because I said, what song should I be singing? He said, yung like pop, diba, pop and yung occasional ballads.
Tapos mga ko daw, mga fans, yung mga bata talaga. Kasi ako yung parang little boy,
then he said
18-year-old.
He said,
bata talaga ako.
Yung crush ka ng kapatid ko. Kasi ikaw yung mga tipo ng kapatid ko.
Okay, alam mo yung mga generation ngayon, parang mga nanonood, yung mga ganun tao.
Oh my God, I remember. Yung sister ko, di ba, yung sinundo ko ng mom ko, kasama kita sa kasama yung sister ko, di ba? Pag nagbabay na ako sa'yo, pagpasok ko ng car, sabi niya, ate, sino yun? Bakit? Ang gwapo! Nagwala siya sa car. Iwan mo na si Rufa! Okay.
No, the thing is, ganito. Because Lonnie's just playing there, so we're gonna hear it here. Diba?
Lakas,
The thing is, with mine, because I go, Direk, you always leave it alone. He goes, no, because I'm just messing with you. Because I get the younger ones also, but, you know, he said...
Kaya nga din Masa.
And Masa.
Actually, parehas from